A very good morning to one and all present here. It is the greatest occasion for all of us, and particularly for me, to organize this the great event. And this is going to be a seed sowing event under the aegis of, it's going to happen under the aegis of our Honorable Principal Secretary Shri K. Panindar Reddy sir, as well as Honorable Shri Ajit B. Chavan, Member Secretary and Textile Committee, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. So this and all the stalwarts from various COEs and various TRAs, Technical Research Association, and my dear friends, this actually is an eye-opening program of our region. The reason is that we got limited ourselves to the known areas rather than to explore the unknown areas, which are huge in availability. But that has to be explored by collective efforts only. Unless and until we take a step forward towards that, it is very difficult to pursue on that line and very difficult to benefit out of it. So here actually we did have a similar kind of initiation during 2012 when our morale got hit to the lowest level because of the court order of closure of all the dyeing units. So at that time, NIFTT and all other organizations joined together, and we initiated a process of resilience Tiruppur in our place, in our cluster. That resilience Tiruppur program got initiated in 2012, and it got 5 editions got completed in down the line from 2012 to 2017, and now we have got graduated, and now this is the first of its kind in the whole of India to have the research scientist conclave, because many of the research organizations, and in fact all the research organizations have got spread across the country without having a direct linkage to the happening center like Tiruppur and other clusters. So we want to cull out this anomaly which is prevailing right now by making this platform, by throwing this platform available for all the convergence activities, because now we have almost 6-7 representations from COAs and all TRAs across the country. So they would be having a lot of findings. Already the research would have been done in many areas, and those findings would have been brought down to this platform, and it's going to be showcased. And next to 2 days we are going to have a continuous run of seminars on various topics, which is going to be very relevant. And I request more number of industrialists need to take part in those events continuously, because only by listening we will learn something out of it. Otherwise, nothing will reach to us automatically. So I request all the members and the colleagues of mine to participate in all the seminars, and you have to depute your team members also from your organization to attend the seminars, to know something new from those seminars, which is going to benefit the individual organization. And if the individual organization got any benefit, means that is going to be a benefit for the entire cluster. And this collective activity is not, it's the beginning of our journey. It's not the only event which is going to end by tomorrow. It is the seed which has got sown, and it is going to sprout on its own strength, and it has to become a plantation field by itself, and the harvest should benefit all of us. So that is the objective conceived by Tiruppur Exporters Association along with IKF and NIFTT. So I had a very good opportunity to discuss with our Honorable Principal Secretary about the prospects of this industry and how it could be utilized properly within the state, and he has taken note of it. I think he is the right secretary because he is a performing secretary, I would say, not diminishing other secretaries' efforts. But the thing is that we need to have a dynamic leader in place rather than desk makers. So that is the objective and that is the requirement of any industrial stream. Right now we have a dynamic leader in place in our state. So in this industrial stream body, the Textile Ministry. So definitely we can make out a policy tweaking exercise, whatever is required to benefit the entire state. And from the center also, sir, the member secretary Ajit Chavan sir, he is also very dynamic in nature because last time also he visited and he was so enthusiastic to get opened up to Tiruppur industrial cluster very much, and definitely because these kind of leaders only can take the industry from the existing level to the next level. Otherwise, without leadership, definitely nothing could get grown on its own. And here we have an enormous opportunity, and today evening by 5:30 we are going to have CEO's conference, for which we have invited an expert from Sri Lanka also. Without fail, all the industrialists should participate in that. Otherwise, we are going to be the losers, because the thing is, if anyone is not participating, is that knowledge is not going to get to them automatically. So I make a point here that every one of us should participate in that, and because many new ideas, because otherwise if I just limit myself within my room, I will feel that I am very comfortable and I am an achiever by myself. But only when I get exposed outside of my room and then get mingled with the other participants, then I will know my limitations, and then only there opens up the chances to learn further. So here also this exercise is envisaged to bring that enlightenment in all of us, and that only will take the industry to the next height. I thank on behalf of the cluster, Sir, Honorable Secretary Sir, and Honorable Member Secretary Textile Committee for accepting and coming over from their busy schedule to inaugurate this novel and this potential event, which is going to bring results not only immediately, but in the long run also it's going to yield a very big result for all the stakeholders. And I wish that this conclave should be the beginning, and it should have a very grand success by itself. Thank you.